Hello guys, there we have a HMD Pulse Plus, and today I will show you a few tips what you can do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on this device. So at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated pair mode. How to activate it you will find in the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory shall be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone. Let's start from the simplest way. Just restart the Bluetooth connection, switch it off and switch it on again. You can also try to restart your phone, of course. In the next way, go to the settings, choose the system and select the reset options. Choose the mobile network settings, choose the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and tap on the reset button. In the next step, you can also try to update your system, so go to the system update and click on the check for update button. If you have any, install it and check for your device again on the Bluetooth list. And basically, that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.